Amazon and Google, pretty much that A to Z of internet. Like if you are ever been on the web, you are probably come across one of their sites. So I feel like it be responsible to assume that the main landing page for these companies would be some based in which. Let's see if we can figure out why. Starting with Google, we are going to set aside the numerous visual inconsistencies across the various versions of your landing page for a moment, and we will just focus on this on here. It's a stake to me that you are decided to round so many of your UI components, and it whenever you are using one of the Doggle logos, there's no rounding at all. When combined with the fact that the image does not align with anything else on the page, it just create another visual inconsistency that hard to overlook. With a relatively minor adjustment for of making the images the same size as the search bar makes a lot of more sense. We could simplify around all four corners, but I kind of think we could do one better by taking some inspiration for the Android app drawer. I think it would look really good if use the same style here. I can still save this. Just give me a SEC here. Go. If there's a logo style that would not fit within the rounded container, we do like gradient background and then just place the logos on top view. Okay, now I want to refer back to those other design because we need to do some shopping for some different features. If I had pick up a favorite search icon, I'd have to go with this one here. I thought I think it be a bit too much to forward all of your icons with that style, so let's go with the plain white ones for the other two buttons. Starting to like a thing need to be broken off some more. So I think an easy fix would be spreading out your buttons. That we once again keep the smaller radius on the inner corner and a larger radius to much outer corner. And now there's just two section left to handle. The shortcut link and news feed down below. The start the B I like first. The icon makes sense to me, and I glad they are contained within a predefined space. Without the container, there is a greater chance of thing looking sort of uneven. Well, alright, on to Amazon where to start on. You know that what speaking of great places to start if you are watching this and you have to interest to it all in learning about web development from high quality. So thank you very much, friends, and welcome to India Moon. You got the source code in my YouTube description. Thank you.